Hi everyone, welcome to my video. Today I needed to clean out 4 of my kitchen drawers. Those were the specific ones because they hold our utensils and they get wiped down here or there, but everything needed to be taken out. So I'm disinfecting my countertops now using the Jaws disinfectant. It needs to sit for about 10 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe all these fingerprints off my stainless steel while I wait for that to work. If you are a returning viewer or subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. It honestly means the world to me. If this is your very first time here, my name is Crystal. I mainly post cleaning and organization videos, but I do throw some other things in there as well. If that interests you, then go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to also click the notification bell so you'll get alerted every single time I upload. I would love to have you join my family. If you have an Instagram account, you can follow me over there at crystal_renee_lifestyle. I was using my Endust stainless steel cleaner on my appliances. It is an all-time favorite because it works so well, and now I am wiping off my Jaws disinfectant.
Whenever, forever, I am here for you, I feel it. Whenever, forever, forever.
It was just a misunderstanding. You waited in the rain for hours, and I couldn't say the right things. No, I checked your number twice, then I went home. But I wanna let you know that.
If you are new here, I live in North Carolina. I love knowing where you guys are from. Leave me a comment letting me know. I also enjoy knowing what you're up to while you're watching my video.
Friend, I wanna be around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more.
Now it's time for me to remove the utensils from the holders. I will also be wiping out the drawers because they had a lot of crumbs in them as well.
And I want you to meet my parents. Yeah. Now I'm including you in my whole world.
running very low on my Mrs. Meyer's fall scents, so I'm using my Caldrea countertop spray in the Tangelo Palm Frond. I was supposed to have placed an order a while ago, but I forgot, so I will be getting on that ASAP. Also, have you guys purchased any winter scents yet? I haven't, and I want to use the fall ones a little bit longer, so I think I might order those one more time before I make the switch.
Around you all the time. You don't understand, you don't need to worry. I meant everything I said, you don't have to search no more. Love is all around, so baby, what's your hurry? You don't have to prove us to anyone. You don't need to worry. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love, love. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love, love. Hold on now, sugar. Hold on now, honey. Hold on now, baby. Hold on, sugar, give me love.
I'm getting ready to show you what these utensil holders look like, and it's because I don't take them out and wash them thoroughly often enough, but I'm gonna go ahead and do that right now.
It's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. I wanna speak my mind and tell you how I feel, but it's like talking to a wall when you don't look at me. Please just look at me. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily. You always know which buttons you should push, baby. I'm a ticking time bomb that goes off easily, but you're still here with me. We're drawn to each other. We try to break it off, but we return to each other. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You're the best, opposites attract, I guess they're right, 'cause we are just like night and day, and that is fine by me.
Do any of you have any of those bamboo drawer organizers that are adjustable? I'm thinking about switching everything and all of the drawers to a system like that. These work fine, but I do like the idea of them being expandable, and the rubber grippy things on these tend to stain some as well.
You're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. You drive me so mad too easily. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. Yeah, you're the best bad thing that has happened to me. The best bad thing that has happened to me.
I hope this video has given you some motivation to tackle an area in your home that has been neglected, no matter if it's in the kitchen or somewhere else. I desperately needed to take care of these drawers for a long time. If it has given you some motivation, then please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
There will be a time when you and me finally can talk. If you speak now, your words will only tear us apart. I pray you'll find a way to mend your broken heart. Yeah, you can show me a new place to start. And you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me There are some thoughts I can't avoid. I try to fight them off.
My main focus on this day was to get those drawers and utensil holders clean, and I accomplished that, so it feels great. I do, however, need to reorganize this whole kitchen. I don't think I have everything placed in the most functional way, so that will be a totally different video. So just make sure you've got your notification bell clicked so you will not miss any future uploads.
Place to start. But you decide if you wanna play pretend. And you decide if you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again. If you wanna see me again.
If you guys made it to the end of this video, I am so grateful. Thank you for spending your time with me because I do not take it for granted. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe so you can join my family. Also leave me a comment because I absolutely love talking to you. If you want more content like this, there is a link to my playlist in the description box. Please take care of yourselves and your families. I love you. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.